Hello everyone, as you all know me, this is Aruna. Today I am here to tell you something really important which really helps you to improve your English language. Now I am going to give a few tips that will really help you to communicate in English. And what are the tips that I am going to give in this video? Please do watch this video until the end. And here let me say something, that is the people who are watching our videos for the first time, please do watch this video until the end, and if you find it is really worthy and it is really useful, please give it a like and share and subscribe. Thank you. See, what I wanted to tell you is, most of the people have been asked me, how did you learn this language? So did you attend any classes, or did you buy any online courses on YouTube, or did you have any partner to speak with? Did you have any English environment? So these are the questions are being asked by many people recently. See, but for all those questions, my answer is no. I had nothing. I had no one to speak with. I had no environment in English. Only what all I had is that the completely deep and unstoppable desire within my heart and mind, because I wanted to learn this language and I wanted to speak this language naturally and effortlessly. So when I wanted to learn this language, or when I wanted to communicate in English, so what I really followed is that I used to watch videos on YouTube in English videos, and I used to watch some stories, and I used to watch some podcast. So these are all helped me to make a sentence or to construct a sentence in English. But I'm not saying so these are the things which completely helped me to communicate in English. No, it's not. But somewhat they have helped me. But the fact is, what I have realized after listening or after watching all those videos, so until we start communicating English without hesitating, so we can't keep our step forward in English. So my dear friends, let me say something, that if you have a desire to communicate in English, please do start communicating English. Whether it is right or wrong, it doesn't matter. You have to make a sentence. So don't go with a long and complex sentences directly. So take a small steps, like use small sentences to communicate or to go forward in your speaking journey. So they will help you to be confident to communicate in English. So my dear friends, so I want to tell you something is that, see, having a desire to communicate in English is not sufficient, and you have to put your 100% effort. And you can ask me, how do we communicate in English? How do we learn this language? You should practice always. See, try to describe about your surroundings. For example, you will always roam in your house here and there. So whatever the things are there around us, and whatever the things are there on the floor, and what are the things are there in your house, please try to describe about them. So when you are trying to describe about them, definitely you can understand how the sentence is being formed, or how we have to construct a sentence. So somehow you can understand the language. And some people, they might have told me you that we will provide 30 days course, we will provide 45 days course. No, because no one can learn this language 30 days, and no one can learn this language in 45 days, because it takes time. I'm not saying it will take a lot of time, like years and years. No, but if you are really willing to learn this language, you can learn within short period of time. So but by practicing, you will get fluency. Without practicing, no course, no videos, nothing can help you. So this is my suggestion I wanted to give in this video. So really, so what you have to do is, you have to practice, try to describe about your surroundings, and try to give your self introduction in front of the people, and try to say about something that you have liked so much. See, these are the small things will definitely help you to communicate or to see growth in your communication skills. I hope you have understood what I have told to you till now, and I hope this video really helpful to you to communicate in English. And if you have any doubt regarding this, please do comment on this comment box. And if you need any suggestions, or if you want to say any suggestions to me, please do ask them in the comment box. Thank you.